watching this decimals video, there are a couple things you should know. First, place value. You should be familiar with the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands places, as well as the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths places. You should also know how to add multi-digit numbers. For example, you should be able to add the numbers 221 plus 350. If these concepts are brand new to you, that's okay. We've got videos for you. We have other videos on place value and adding multi-digit numbers. Start with those and then come back to this video. If you've heard of these concepts before and you're somewhat familiar with them, then let's get started. Today we're going to be adding decimals, and I have some great news. It's just like adding whole numbers, numbers that you've been adding since kinder or first grade. The only difference is there's going to be a decimal point so that we can separate our wholes from our parts. Let's look at a problem together. Try to read the problem to yourself as I read it aloud. Remember to use place value as you read. 53 and 6 hundredths plus 14 and 23 hundredths. Great job. Now can you tell me which number is larger? If you said 53 and 6 hundredths, you're correct. Our whole in 53 and 6 hundredths is 53, which is larger than our whole in 14 and 23 hundredths, which is 14. It's just like saying that a video game that costs $53.06 is more expensive than a used video game that costs $14.23. Are you ready to add these decimals? Okay, let's do it together. Now, the first step when we add decimals is to bring down our decimal point. If we don't account for this decimal point, that's like saying you're buying a video game for $5,306 plus a video game for $1,423. So the decimal point really matters. Now, like I said, the good news is you're just going to add your numbers as usual. So let's work from right to left. 6 plus 3 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 5 plus 1 is 6. You got it. Let's read our final answer together. 67 and 29 hundredths. Great job. Let's look at another problem. Try to read the problem to yourself as I read it aloud. 157 and 82 hundredths plus 203 and 74 hundredths. Now, what's the first step we need to do? If you said bring down the decimal point, you're correct. We don't want to forget about that guy. All right, now we're just going to add as normal. 2 plus 4 is 6. 8 plus 7, 15. Uh-oh, what do we do? We're going to carry the 1 like you would normally carry the 1. So we're going to write the 5 in the tens place, and we're going to put the 1 in the ones place, because that means that we've had at least 10 tenths, which equals 1 whole. So we're going to rebundle that 10 tenths into 1 whole, and continue adding as normal. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. We'll write the 1 in the ones place, and we'll carry those 10 ones that we just rebundled into a tenth to the tens place. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And 1 plus 2, that's easy, that's 3. Let's read our final answer together. 361 and 56 hundredths. Great job. I'm going to challenge you to complete this problem on your own. When you see the word pause appear on your screen, click pause. Solve the problem And when you're ready, when you've got your answer, click play to resume watching. Okay, let's get started. Read the problem to yourself as I read it aloud. 891 and 34 thousandths. Remember, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Plus 244 and 75 thousandths. Now this problem is just like the problems we've been looking at today. The only difference is now we have 3 digits to the left of the decimal point, all of our wholes, and 3 digits to the right of the decimal point, all of our parts. Let's see how you did. You should have gotten 1,135 and 109 thousandths. If you did, great job. Go ahead and fast forward to problem 4. If you didn't, let's go over the problem and see maybe where you went wrong. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10, so we write the 0 and we carry our 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 9 plus 4 is 13, so we write the 3 and we carry our 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And we get 1,135 and 109 thousandths. Congratulations, you've made it to problem 4. There's only one problem left, and then the bonus word problem with Roxy. Hang in there, we're almost done. Read the problem to yourself as I read it aloud. 1,098 and 601 thousandths plus 2,134 and 257 thousandths. Go ahead and try this problem on your own. Click pause when you see the word pause appear on the screen. Then click play when you've got your answer. Good luck. Are you ready to check your answer? You should have gotten 3,232 and 858 thousandths. If you did, great job. Feel free to fast forward on to Roxy's word stories. If not, let's go over this problem together. 1 plus 7 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we have to write the 2 in the ones place, but carry the 1, that bundle of 10, into the tens place. Now we have 9 plus 3, which is 12, plus 1, which is 13. We write our 3 in the tens place, but now we have 10 tens, and we need to take that bundle over to the hundreds place. And 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So you should have gotten 3,232 and 858 thousandths. Great job. Congratulations, you made it. It's now time for Roxy's word problem of the day, which we like to call Roxy's word story. Let's read the story together. Roxy and her younger brother Tommy went to the ice cream shop to buy a banana split. Roxy had $2.68 in her wallet, and Tommy had $2.28 in change. The sign in the store said banana splits were $4.95. Roxy isn't sure if they have enough money to buy one. Can Roxy and Tommy afford to buy one banana split to share? Welcome back. So, can Roxy and Tommy afford to get that banana split? If you said yes, you're right. Together they have $4.96, and the banana split costs $4.95. So it looks like they'll be getting that banana split after all. I hope you've enjoyed our time together and feel more comfortable with adding decimals than you did before. If decimals are still a little fuzzy for you, feel free to watch this video or any of the previous videos again. If you feel good about the work we've done today, congratulations, you're ready to move on. See you next time.